Hello from Hornsbergs Strand in Kungsholmen, Stockholm. So it's time for yet another swim with me, Chris, on my beach adventures this year. I have already been to this beach several times before this year, but I'm gonna use it now only for swimming, and we're gonna explore some fantastic beach destination later. So let's see if I remember correctly, because it's been a while since I've been swimming here. But I'm gonna start from this point over here and follow the rope all the way to the end and come back. I think that would be around 700 meters, but let's double check and see at the end. If it is not, I really plan to swim maybe 2 times back and forth. So follow me. First I'm gonna jump to feel the water a bit. And yes, today is beach day number 92 on my Sweden beach adventures on this wonderful 25th of July. Currently it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air. I hope it is a lot warmer in the water. And you see, it's cloudy here in Stockholm, and we have had some rain before, so that's why there is nobody on the beach, actually on the water, but there are people walking by or running along the wonderful Riviera here in Hornsbergs. So now we have had also a boat passing by that made some waves. So let's see if they're gonna give me some more effort. All right, so now first jump and then swim. Okay. Then just see my clock. Yes. And now it starts to rain also, which is perfect because I will be in the water. All right, first jump, then swim. All right, I need to fasten my goggles here. And I need to put my nose clip on. All right, ready, set, go! Woohoo! Woohoo! So that was a super nice swim. So 1 kilometer exactly. So one way all the way to the end is 250 meters times 4, 1 kilometer in 24 minutes and 10 seconds. So yes, that was a very nice swim as such. Very so much refreshing and stuff, and the rain came probably halfway through, so yes. All right, so the tempo was 1 minute. That is strange now. No, that's not strange. It's, I think, the average pace on the last 100 meter. I think it was faster, but yes, and my heart rate went up to 177 I saw at the end. And let me show you now how the whole trajectory of 250 meters here in Hornsbergs looked like. So this is where I start, there, over there. And you see, now it is raining all the way. But you know what? When it's raining and you're in the water swimming, it doesn't make any difference because you're already wet, right? So I'm passing by 3 different piers as such. This is pier number 1. And it's also good for me to take also a walk after 1 kilometer swimming. I think this means that I'm almost ready for the Stockholm triathlon next Saturday. So 10 days left. And I did actually lots of swimming throughout the winter in the swimming pool in Högdalen where I live. I did also some outdoor swims that you have seen on my channel. I think this is the 4th as such. I took one more that I didn't film. So this is pier number 2. And you see I was swimming all along those small balls at the end. Plastic balls. And it is raining beautifully here in Hornsbergs. Oh, what a wonderful place. I just love this place, Hornsbergs. It's so central, it's so nice. And when it's raining like this, there is nobody on it. This is pier number 3 that I'm passing by on my swim. And I got more tired by watching this. I don't understand how I was able to swim this back and forth 4 times, 2 times actually. And this is where the swimming, I mean the line with balls where it ends. And this is where I make a turn. And this is yep, and then I swim back. And it will be 500 meters if you swim it back and forth. And if you do it twice, it's 1 kilometer. If you do it 3 times, it's of course 1.5 kilometers, which is the Olympic distance that I'm going to swim on next Saturday as part of the triathlon. Of course, obviously after that, it follows by 40 kilometers of cycling and 10 kilometers of running. All right, now let's take also one jump in the water to relax after the swim. And I'm already wet anyway from both the lake and rain here in Hornsbergs. Let's pick the middle pier to jump in. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go here. Woohoo! Let's jump! Oops. Let's first put the water protection on. Yes, that's right. Now let's jump! Oh my god, the water is so warm. Well, after that nice 1 kilometer swim, it's good also to relax a bit in the water with light breaststroke, because crawl swimming can be quite exhausting, but it's also faster, of course. Beautiful swim adventure today, and it is beach day number 92, of course. So yes, let's wrap up from the wonderful Hornsbergs, located in Kungsholmen in Stockholm, and see you soon with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.